Hi, this is Miss April, and today we are making a pinwheel. The first step is to create a 6 by 6 inch square. Open the transform panel and rotate by 45 degrees. Create lines that connect from one corner to the other. One line going vertically and one going horizontally. Next, create a 2-inch square and place it in the middle. Use the grid lines or smart snapping to help you. Remember that you can always use the centering features at the top. I'm just changing the point size of the lines so that you can see them better. Create a small circle and place it on the right side of the top corner. Select the big square and the small circle and make a copy. Change the line color for both. Here I changed it to green. Place both objects on top of the red square and circle. Select only the green square and circle and rotate by 90 degrees. Delete the green square but leave the small green circle. Repeat the steps and rotate, but keep adding another 90 degrees so that there are a total of 4 circles. You can change the circles back to red when you're done. Zoom in. Create another copy of the circle and place at the center of the 2-inch square. Use the knife tool to cut along the lines of the square. Delete those pieces. As you can see, I left 2 small little pieces, so I removed those also. I then changed the lines back to the original size. Color in your design. Make sure the object is ungrouped so that you can make the circles a compound path. To save paper, rotate your design back by 45 degrees. You can put your pinwheel together by using a stick, pencil, or straw, and some push pins, thumbtacks, or fasteners. Fold over each circle and align it with the circle in the middle. Make sure that it goes all the way through and you can fasten it on the back side. And that's it. See you next week.